Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Amazon employee account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Amazon employee account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in Amazon employee login like this, and hit enter and search it on the Google, or you can just simply go to account.amazon.jobs and hit enter. Either ways will be on the same website, but from the Google Chrome it's better for the people who don't use the computer often. And you can see the login to Amazon Jobs over here. Click over there, which is also the home page or the login page of Amazon Jobs. We type over here. Now that being said, we're on the same page, so let's close all of these. Now to log into your Amazon employee account, you can see you can log into your Amazon employee account with your Amazon or your Google account with which you have signed up for the Amazon employee account. Or if you have your Amazon Jobs account, you can directly enter your Amazon Jobs account over here, which you registered on Amazon. And after that, click on continue, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password, and after that you'll be able to log into your Amazon employee account over here. Or if you have not yet created an account on Amazon Jobs, simply click on over here which says the create one, and you'll be taken to the sign up page of the Amazon employee account with specifications. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Amazon employee account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.